Hello! We are here in a mountain in Italy for a workshop, Brain and Eyes, Yoga Toumo. And I am here with two wonderful girls, Adina, Sarah. And they just practice here during 1 week activity very different. What's about? What did you do here?
Well, it's been an incredible week. It starts in the morning with 30 minutes of, or 30 to 40 minutes of meditation at 7 o'clock, and then we see the sun rise, as Patrick said, over these beautiful Italian Alps. And then
it's followed by, after breakfast, we go for a fantastic walk on ski shoes, snowshoes, and we go, where do we go? We go up,
and without
down,
clothes?
Without clothes,
and in our bikinis.
Yes.
And bikinis.
Yes, yeah.
And then we
For the
run,
girls.
Yeah, some of the walks are very challenging.
and then we
Which is
jump
good.
in the snow. We roll around in the snow, and it's cold, but it's brilliant.
Yeah.
And it's not your first time.
It's
And
not.
you-
No, it's
and
my
you both.
first time. It's my first
and
time.
what you are thinking about that, about this kind of practice before to come here?
Well, Sarah had told me something about it before, but she kept a lot back, I have to say. But the energy has been fantastic. I don't understand a lot of French, but I've been able to get some information.
But you understand about
But
cold?
I understand
weather.
about the cold, and I understand about the group mentality. It's been fantastic working with the group, the energy that you get. Everybody's working towards the same thing. It may be a different challenge, but the end to succeed at something and to feel that energy inside at the end of the week, it's left there with you to take home.
And you, what you are looking for when you came here?
Well, what I was looking at was some kind of inner energy to keep me going. That's an inner peace, an inner something I can take with me apart from just the memories. That I can go home with something and say this can keep me going and maybe change things a bit.
And I just wanted to say that being in a group as well, it's so much support. Perhaps we wouldn't do this kind of thing regularly at home. And they encourage you to, and with Patrick and Maurice, to explore your limitations, physical and mental, to be able to do this thing that you never thought you would do.
And what's
And-
about the water?
Oh, it's
Cold, freezing water, eh?
freezing.
Yes, and then Patrick has to take away the ice that is on the surface, which is a bit
Daunting.
It's a very daunting. What did you think? Yes, this
You
is
did it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Every
Yes.
day you
Big.
do a little bit more, and finally you achieve
And
your goal. Yeah.
before to do it, what you are thinking? It's impossible?
No, I wasn't thinking it was impossible because I know
Okay.
the power of breathing.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know the power
Oh, yeah.
of how you can achieve, as you call it, the samurai effect, as it were, that you can achieve that
Preparation,
preparation and you can gain that inner strength. And I wouldn't have thought I could have stayed in there that long. And what a fantastic feeling when you come out.
And Sarah, you did that already. Huh? What
Yes.
what do you think? What has changed in your life?
I-
After and before?
I think one thing that's changed is it's made me feel more confident in myself, and I also transmit this to my friends. Hence,
Indeed.
the Adina wanted to come and discover this for herself. And at home, I do take my friends into the reservoir in the winter, and they think it's absolutely fantastic as well.
Yeah, and for yourself, your energy, more energy for your life. And
Yes, I think I think it does give me more energy. That every day is precious, but also this inner confidence that I think what Maurice said a few years ago. Don't shift the blame for failures in your life. It's you have to find them inside of yourself, and I think this is what has made possible for me to
And
see what's
and
inside.
this kind of practice, it's like a very good instrument for that. Huh?
Exactly, but not just going into cold water. It's in every way of life, like an interview or a difficult problem to resolve. It does help you.
And not just for 1 week, you take it home with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you continue.
So, thank you. so much.
Been our pleasure.
Very
Thank you.
kindly.
It's been really lovely.
And,
Thank you.
Bye bye, my friends.
Bye.
Cheerio.
Bye.